What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exciting video in store. We're gonna get the R154 bolted up to the engine block. That way I can see where I need to make brackets. I've got the tunnel clearance and everywhere that I need to, so we should be able to just throw it up in there, bolt it up. It'll hang. The mounts on the engine are solid. I know it's probably not the best thing to do, but I'll have a jack under it as well, and I'll have a strap kind of holding underneath the transmission. But let me kind of show you what I've done here. A nice little $30 light from Harbor Freight. So I had to take, I used about a little 4-ton bottle jack and just spread the tunnel up and through here and move the rails over. It doesn't look the prettiest, but like I said, I'm going to put some angle here and box this in so you'll never really see it after it's done. I'm going to clean all this stuff underneath eventually and respray the bottom of the car, redo all the seam sealer. We've got a fresh rear main seal in. We got to put our pilot bearing in. I've got to get a clutch and a flywheel as well. So this is only temporary, but we've also got something exciting coming to fill these wheel wells. These stock wheels are in pretty good shape. They've got brand new tires on them, which I'll keep them for the street, but we've got some nice a nice drag pack here. They're Jegs wheels. No, they're not the lightest, but when someone offers them to you to help them do some stuff on their car, I'll say yes to that all day. So, budget drag pack. It's gonna look killer on the car, I think. I'll have to get some caps for the rear wheels, but the fronts we've got. Bought lug nuts already, so that'll be a go. We've got our, well, where'd they go? Oh no, guys. The housing bolts from Drift Motion. I found that they have pretty much anything you need when it comes to JZ stuff, really anything. So they've been a huge help finding some of these parts that aren't really available in the US, which, I mean, bolts you can source from anywhere, but it's nice having a kit already done up with the right lengths and sizes and all that stuff. You don't have to go back and forth to the hardware store. So we'll go ahead and get this transmission up in here, and then we'll swap these wheels out and let it down and see what we got. there she is. The thing's bolted up. I've got one more bolt up top and then the starter bolts, but I was gonna leave the starter out until I get to the top. Well, it's a little bit easier to get to. But as you can see, we got pretty good clearance on the driver's side. Passenger, probably, well, see, it's not too bad. We've got like maybe an inch, but yeah. So that'll be good. It's nice and sturdy. Again, like I said, we'll probably wind up doing some angle iron right here, and then coming back, making a cross member, and then bolting over there as well. So pretty easy, not too bad. The worst part was getting the tunnel clearance and spread apart. Not even gonna lie, that was kind of a pain in the ass. We'll get these wheels swapped around. That way I can get it down and get to the top bolts. I'm very short, so me getting to those top bolts from down here is not gonna happen. Alright guys, it already looks so much better. That looks freaking killer. I can't wait to get it on the ground and see how well these fit. I'm a little nervous that these are not going to clear the in the back. Just for it's 275/60 15s, so they're pretty meaty. Really concerned whether, I know already that I'm gonna have to roll the fenders. That's without a doubt. But if I can get away with little to no body work, that'll be awesome. Alright guys, I'm going to have someone hold the brake so I can get that one loose. I've got the e-brake set on the rear, so that's not going to be a problem. Guys, don't try that at home. That's me being impatient and stupid. I could have very easily trashed one of these wheels, but try at your own risk. That's all I can say. Or don't be impatient like me. Go ahead and get this thing down off the jacks, or off the jack stands, and see what she looks like on her own weight. Guys, this thing looks freaking killer. You ready? Here she is. Tell me that doesn't look sick. The all black with the machined accents looks killer. The tires fit actually a lot better than I was thinking they were going to. We may rub a little bit under full droop, like, I mean maxed out. I've got to check the clearance between the struts and the rear too, so make sure we're not rubbing there. But other than that, it looks freaking amazing. Let's go over to the good side without this crusty fender. Yeah, boys, that's what's up. So we're almost there. I've got a lot left to do still, but I'm getting close. We're gonna yank these twins off. I was gonna use them originally, but the front turbo decided that he didn't want to play anymore, so it's starting to lock up. We're gonna go with a single, maybe a Borg S360 or somewhere in there, maybe a little bit bigger. Gonna upgrade the injectors while I've got it out, convert everything over to E. It's pretty readily available around here. We gotta yank that condenser out. I'm not gonna be running AC. Plumb the intercooler, Haltech, wiring harness, drive shaft, and we should be able to at least take her down the road for a little spin. But you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. Also, to all my conquest and starring guys out there, if you need any parts, I've got a ton of stuff left over. Just hit me up in the comments, and we can link up somehow, and I'll let you know what all I've got. The engine and transmission, or sorry, I do still have the transmission. The engine is sold. But yeah, a lot of little miscellaneous stuff. Just hit me up in the comments and we'll get together. Thanks, guys.